Welcome. We have another Defiant vehicle showcase for you guys today. We've got with us a 2022 Range Rover Sport HSE, and we're showing off our Defiant Wheels DF05s. So like all Defiant wheels, the DF05 is engineered to fit the Range Rovers. That's all models, your Sport, your HSE, your Autobiography. We engineered them to fit perfectly. That means you're not going to need a hub ring or a spacer. You get to use your factory lug nuts, which are really expensive. Your Range Rover center cap will pop right in, and we took care of all of the fitment questions for you. So these are a 22-inch wheel. You can get off those factory 21s, which have really expensive tires when you replace your tires. Here we have the air suspension in the parked mode, and there's no rubbing, there's no scrubbing or anything like that. So come and check them out. DF05s for your Range Rovers. They'll also fit the Land Rover Defender, the new model. We have wheel and tire packages available. If you check out our website, we also have a great retail team. They can help you find the wheel that fits your vehicle, put a tire and package together for you, ship it straight to your door.